Let's now understand how the subtotal function works. The subtotal function returns the subtotal in a database. Depending on what you want, you can select either average, count, sum, min, max, min, and others. Let's have a look at two such examples. We have performed the subtotal calculation on cells ranging from a 4 to a 7. As you can see, the function used is equal to subtotal 1, a 4, a 7. In the subtotal list 1 refers to average. Hence, the above function will give the average of a 4, a 7 and the answer to it is 9.5, which is stored in C8. Similarly, is equal to subtotal 4, a 42, a 7, selects the cell with the maximum value from a 4 to a 7 which is 12. Incorporating 4 in the function provides the